现在在米兰索罗尼，待会就访问法国鬼才 Philippe。Starck is a legendary minimalist known for emotion, functionality and iconic products. 来了，Mr. Philippe Starck 来了，太多人抓着他拍照了。Hello, Iko. Hello. Iko.
You're so chic.
From Malaysia.
In design, Malaysia. So this year, I saw you have a many product like AI Light. I have this one, but this is a second version.
The new one.
This is a old version.
Yes, it's a brother. This have 10 years.
10 years ago.
Prince AA.
Yeah.
And when I launched Prince AA, I said I shall make a collection of this type. And today the Prince OO, the brother.
Yeah.
Aesthetic family, the same idea. And this one is very convenient because sometimes you need a table, sometimes you need a stool.
Yeah.
Perhaps you have not the money or the room to have a stool and a table. That's why you just turn it. One face is flat, the other is curved. One side is a table, one is a stool.
This one can open. Put
Yes.
This one can open.
Can open.
Can open.
Yes. Me, I hide everything.
3 in 1.
Three in one, yes.
So I like your new design. This lighting.
Alors that it's more poetic. The idea to design a sort of teapot.
Teapot.
You don't pour tea, you pour light.
Also can like mirror.
My God, you are very good. I'm all white. I'm a vampire. I have no reflector.
You are contribute many iconic pieces for catalog. What the core principle you keep in mind when designing something new for the brand? You always have a new idea, new design for cartel.
Alors first, I am mentally sick.
Yeah.
I have a heavy sickness, which is called creativity. Exaggerate creativity.
Yeah.
That means I have many ideas non-stop. After, I love to do with Cartel because Cartel is a high-tech company. With a high-tech company, you can make a product at the highest level of quality. I hope good design, but with an affordable price, all ecological. That's why it's the best.
Cartel is known for reimagining everyday objects with high design. How do you find fresh inspiration for this ongoing transformation?
This idea, I have the ideas naturally to help my community to have a better life, and they know how to do it with the right price and the right quality.
I saw this new one is a AI light.
AI light.
Without the
Yes,
handle.
and even the structure is lighter than before.
Yeah.
That means I don't design. AI designed it 7 years ago. Can you imagine, we forget, even me, that AI is the first product in the world produced completely, designed completely by AI.
Yeah.
And on the idea to the less possible materiality, it was done, and even now this one, we made the light with less energy, less materiality, and without harm.
Yeah, I know you are very minimalist, always reduce the material to produce the furniture.
Modernity is the minimum.
Your latest design for Cartel embody simplicity yet make a strong visual impact. How do you define the emotion incense behind your minimalist piece for Cartel?
You just need to have an emotional life. You have to live with emotion for everything.
Yep.
And yes, my products are sympathical, humoristic, quite elegant, quite timeless, that can create emotion.
集合了这么多年和 Philippe 的照片，现在拿给他亲笔签名啦 ！Yes。在马来西亚也可以购买到Cartel家具，就在 Best Home Finishing。